done and all set. Dalawa. Thank you MJ.
Oo.
Ayan.
Nabawasan agad.
So,
Nabawasan agad ako ng ano.
Mga 5 kg din yun. Sulit yung punta dito.
Salamat pre.
Oo naman. Ikaw pa. Hi fam, good morning. It's another weekend and I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa last vlog namin of me playing. And nakapagbanda-banda ulit ang daddy. So today, ang plan namin ay, since mahaba na ang hair ni Davon, magpapa-haircut kami ni Davon. Okay, and after that, we're going to Wahing to buy our meat. Kasi nakapag-grocery na yesterday si Mommy ng mga vegetables namin and mga kailangan. And then after that, we're gonna be doing cycle.
Daddy, bike! I want bike!
Yes, bicycle. Yeah. So since it's 9 degrees here in Calgary,
Daddy, I want
maganda
walk.
ngayon lumabas and ilalabas namin yung
Daddy, I want to walk.
So,
Walk.
right. That's it. And samahan niyo ulit kami today. Woo, kids are out. Malamig pa din. It's 9 degrees. Pero sunny Calgary na siya. And we'll see kung ano pwede natin gawin after the barber shop. Kasi yun lang yung goal right now. Okay, let's go! Ang good boy ni Davon kasi nagsa-stop, look, and listen siya. Go, kuya.
Go, Liam. Go, Liam.
Go, Liam. So yan ang jam kagabi. Yan ang gig kagabi. Kaya alam, bitin. Instead of 5 to 6 songs, nag 4 songs lang kami. But still okay. It's a very good experience. Ganun talaga. Nag-iiba yung production. And shout out to our family. Again, Ate Ana, Kuya Jojo, Kuya Nelson, Ate Maricel, the sister, Ate Faye, and the brother, Ikong. Thanks for coming! Salamat sa pagpunta. So, again, let's just go back here. Ayan. Ito nga pala yung isang school dito sa malapit sa amin. It's a public school. Sit down, Lian. Sit down properly, please. It's a public school. Or I think hanggang high school dito. So, we're lucky na yung place namin malalapit siya sa school lahat. So we could have options kung saan sila pwede mag-aral. And it's really affordable and very accessible for us. Okay, so let's go and continue the cycling. Sige, hindi kasi kaya niliyan eh. So, and ayan si Mommy nakasunod sa amin. Hello, Mommy! So going to the barber shop kami. Actually, nandun lang yung barber shop. Malapit lang. So we need to go. Go, go, go! Race, Mommy! Ay, sorry, Kuya! Here. Ito kami sa barber shop. Lapit-lapit lang eh. Brother. Very good.
Go, go, go.
Okay. Alright. Here. We got Blades and Fades barbershop. What's that?
Live stream.
No. It's just a vlog. Yeah. Okay, so we're here. We're just going to wait. And so may available na barber. Okay, start na tayo ng gupit. Let's see the result after. What's up, brother? Thanks. After. Yeah. Yep. All good. Thank you. Shout out to my brother Mo.
That's good.
Thank you, thank you.
The coconut nut is a giant nut. If you eat so much, you get
Very fast.
very fat. I found, ito ko sa southeast of Calgary. Check natin. Kasi may kapamilya kami. And thank you, MJ. Na baka may makuha kaming free. And yes, makakakuha kami! Woohoo! So we chose white. Tapos tingnan natin kung paano ipapasok dito. But yeah, laki na nga. Malaki nga siya. So okay, I'll just fix this up and we'll see. See ya. Oh, diba? Lahat may party na dito.
Party, party.
What's up, Calgary? Yeah, may party, may secret party kami dito. Yeah. We're done and all set. Dalawa. Thank you.
Oo.
Ayan.
Nabawasan agad.
So,
Nabawasan agad ako ng ano.
Mga 5 kg din yun. Sulit yung punta dito.
Yes. Salamat, pre.
Oo naman. Ikaw pa. At saka yung mga latest vlog mo kasi healthy.
Oo.
So,
Kailangan
syempre,
nagbabawas talaga ako, guys.
Syempre, dahan-dahan din. Kailangan din namin magbawas ni Donna.
Kanina nga, nung tinawagan niya ako ni Lawrence, nag-ano pa ako, nagdududa pa.
Oh, parang skeptical ka talaga
Di ba sabi ko pa, meron na akong may treadmill na ako, sabi
Yeah.
ko. Nung pinicturean niya, puta sabi ko, bago pa.
Brand new, nasa box.
Buti na lang, 7 minutes lang ako dito, kaya
Yes.
paspas agad ako
Yes,
pumunta
yes,
dito.
yes. Kasi hanggang 3 p.m. na siya. Mga 1 hour na lang, close na si Kuya.
Kaya,
So ayun, ganun talaga ang buhay Canada.
kaya alam niyo naman mga Pinoy guys, pagdating sa ganyan
Mabilis
go,
tayo.
go tayo
Yeah.
dyan, di ba?
Meron pang
Especially
konti.
free.
Oo, free. Kasi wala talaga, no strings attached.
Yeah.
Basta kuha ka lang, tutulungan mo lang si Kuya kasi kawawa naman si Kuya. So ayun, that's it. Buhay Canada, magbubuhat na naman kami.
Ang problema ko niyan, pre.
Oo,
Pababa
pababa sa inyo.
Isa-slide
Wala.
Isa-slide na siguro.
Yeah, slide na lang talaga. Ayun. So, nagbabay-bye din sina Tito. Okay, masayang-masaya din sila. Tatlo kinuha
Tatlo
nila.
sa kanila?
Dalawa, okay. Okay, tatlo din sila eh. Right, so that's it guys. And see you later.
Yes.
The favorite. Jollibee. Na-miss din ng mga kids yung Jollibee. Parang a month or 2 months ago din kami last kumain ng Jollibee. So let's go kuya. Let's go! Ayun sila. Hanap lang kami ng table. Again?
Chip, now I'm coming half, but I need to eat a lot of it.
Madaming food.
But then my food so it can be like this. So much of it will be like this.
Wow! And look at my son's haircut.
Then I'll
So
say-
pogi.
then I'll say, Daddy, can I want?
Jollibee time!
When they go to the big Jollibee question,
Kuya,
then
masarap?
they
You say masarap.
Masarap?
Nag-decide kami na mag-play place na lang sina David. McDonald's. After eating at Jollibee, may katabing McDonald's na may play place. Siyempre, kape-kape na din kami. So I think that would sum up our day. Nag-meet shop and then play lang ng mga kids. Then that's about it. Let's check kung ano pa ang plan ni Donna. But more or less, that's gonna be a very good weekend for our family again. Calgary's getting hotter and hotter. Nasa 11 degrees na. Yeah, so see you later, fam. Who are you again? You're the?
Cooper.
Scooper.
Ice cream scooper.
Then nandito lang kami sa
I'm the ice
McDonald's.
cream scooper.
Kasi may play place. And isa yun sa mga tipid hacks for the kids. Hanap lang kayo ng McDonald's play place. And then, magko-coffee. Order na sundae. That's it. Laro-laro sila ng mga 2 hours. Then pag napagod na, uwi na kami. Right?
What about the indoor playground?
This one is the indoor playground now. Ang bait naman ng kuya ko. What are you going to say, Lian? To kuya? Thank you.
Oh, man, not that.
Hey fam! Bahay na kami. So, ang daming nangyari today. But, of course, one of the priorities ay makabili ng meat. So, we were able to go to Wahing. Dami namin nabili. And it cost us $174. Sobrang sulit talaga. And more or less, pag nakakabili kami, around 1 to 1.5 months na to namin na meat. So, bumibili-bili na lang kami ng gulay sa Superstore or TNT. So, kung ano man ang kailangan namin na gulay, para dun sa meat, na safe tayong nakarating sa bahay after all the activities na kailangan natin gawin today. So, nag-enjoy yung mga kids sa McDonald's Play Place after kumain sa Jollibee. And then, yeah, we were also thankful to MJ who hooked us up on that freebie. So, thank you, MJ. And of course, shinare din natin ang blessings natin sa mga kaibigan. So, sakto kasi si Alwin malapit lang dun sa place kung saan namin kinuha yung free gym equipment and some dumbbells. So, napakasaya ng weekend namin. And of course, si David dito nagkakalat and gustong maglaro pa sa bahay. But then, kinukumpuni na ni Donna si Lian to prepare to sleep. So, usually pag weekend, nagba-bathtub yung mga kids namin. Para lang makapaglaro pa ng extra. Kasi nung last summer kasi, dito sa Calgary, nagkaroon ng water problem and they were aware. So, hindi sila... So, yun yung sinasabi pala namin lagi. We can't do the bathtub every day except for weekends. Kasi para tipid sa tubig. So, ayun. That's it for today and I hope napagod din kayo sa aming activities. Ganun naman, buhay Canada dito is normal. Wala namang extraordinary. So kung ano lang ang pwedeng gawin as a family. So dito ko na tatapusin ang video. I hope everyone liked our vlog today. Nakakapagod siya. I think napagod din kayo sa kakapanood sa sobrang dami naming pinuntahan. Ganun naman talaga ang buhay Canada. The usual safe routine that we can have here. Go with your friends, create activities with your kids, uwi ng bahay, prepare for tomorrow. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Alba Fam Bam YouTube channel. See you on the next vlog. Have a blessed day, everyone. Thank you and hang loose.